Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by prepping. Clean and degrease the area so the metallic adheres. Once done, apply a bonding primer because metallic pigments need a keyed surface. Mix the gold paint with a small metallic medium, about 5 to 10%, to improve flow and reduce flake. Stir gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Avoid air bubbles. Test on a scrap piece, one thin coat to check coverage and color. If coverage is low, plan 2 to 3 thin passes rather than one thick layer. Now you focus on building the finish. Choose spray for furniture or car parts, brush for edges, match the tool to the object. Apply 2 to 4 thin coats rather than one thick coat because metallic pigments lie flat and show brush marks. Make sure to flash for 10 to 20 minutes between coats so solvents evaporate. Don't wait too long or adhesion suffers. Once tack-free, lightly sand with 400-600 grit to knock down dust nibs and improve mechanical bonding before the next coat. Finish by sealing the metallic with a clear coat, 2 to 3 coats for depth and protection. Choose gloss or satin to match desired sheen. Allow full cure for 24 to 72 hours before handling, and wet sand with 1000-2000 grit for mirror finish if needed. If you see flaking, streaks, or poor adhesion, stop. Sand back to a solid edge, reprime the area, and reapply thin metallic coats. That fixes delamination and restores uniform metallic coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.